is install the brake lever. So first thing you want to do is take off this boot, little dust cover boot thing, to get expose your stock lever, and we want to take out this bolt. Okay, so got the wrenches. On this one it's 10, the top bolt's a 10 and the bottom one's a 10. Okay, so take the nut off. Things are always a pain, so that's how we're gonna put the new breakaway levers on. Okay. Take that out. Or keep those bolts though, because you're gonna need it for installing your new brake lever. So now grab our brake lever. Just goes on the same exact way. Put your bolt in. And you're probably going to need to adjust your reach after you put your new brake lever on. Okay. Put your nut back on. And then tighten it down. If you want to use a torque wrench and torque it down, that's fine. But I'm just going to use socket and the end wrench. So now probably want to adjust your reach. I think I'm gonna have to okay, so you're probably gonna want to tighten this down. See how that needs to go back a lot. Too big. Okay. Yep, that's coming back. So on this, it's a 8 by 32. about that. I had to adjust it. I had to screw it in a lot more to get it how I want it. So now got fully reach lever thing, and now we're just gonna put the nut back on to tighten it. Okay, now what you want to do, put your dust cover back on. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off real quick with some contact cleaner or whatever. But if it's clean, if yours is clean or whatever, then just put it back on. But all right, now we got the dust cover back on. Now when I wreck, I won't break any levers. And